Everything appears to be functioning in it still. Doesn't smell bad. We put fresh oil in it today, so.
No shampoo.
No shampoo. We could put more in there.
1998 GMC Sonoma with 150 shot of nitrous.
With the door hinge.
Piece for the door.
Not a hinge.
The door plate. The latch plate. Adding race gas. Matt's adding race gas to the NOS truck.
How much do you want?
Let's do about a third of it.
I think it's about a third.
All right, cool.
It's probably over half, but.
Oh, all right.
A little garbage, nitrous, tree trunk.
Just over.
She's purring. Where's it? No, yeah. NOS, just press the gas. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think it worked.
Yeah.
Light them up. Light them up. That thing is just sliding. He got some, oh man, he got some good tread down. Oh, and he started doing another burnout right here.